Hi. Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to create a big idea brief for a product release. Then to write a social media post based on that big idea. So let's start with the suggested example as shown initially on the app intro. Create a big idea for a topic. So the app responds, "Absolutely, I'd be delighted to help." To create a big idea that's impactful and engaging, I need to know a bit more about the topic or product you're focusing on. Could you provide me with some details such as the product or service you're marketing, the target audience or demographic, any unique features or benefits of your product or service, the tone or style you're aiming for? For example, professional, whimsical, or urgent. With this information, I can craft a big idea that's tailored to your needs and resonates powerfully with your audience. So I type in the name of the tool, SEO Easy. Then the demographic and target audience, web designers and affiliate marketers. Then I say briefly what it does. It does anything SEO. And lastly, the style as punchy. So the big idea app responds by confirming my instructions. Great, let's create a big idea for SEO Easy, a comprehensive SEO tool designed for web designers and affiliate marketers. The unique selling point is its versatility in handling any SEO-related task. You're aiming for a punchy tone to really grab attention. Here's a concept. Unlock the Google goldmine. Effortless SEO mastery with SEO Easy. This headline encapsulates the idea that SEO Easy is the key to unlocking the vast potential of Google's search engine. A veritable goldmine for web designers and affiliate marketeers. It suggests that users can achieve mastery over SEO with ease, positioning SEO Easy as an indispensable tool in their arsenal. This kind of headline is designed to intrigue and entice, promising both simplicity and power in the complex world of SEO. Then I uploaded an AI image that includes the Google logo as the base idea for the imagery. Then I asked to turn this image into gold. It responded. The image you've provided seems to be a vibrant, playful, and abstract representation of the Google logo, styled with various mechanical elements and a dynamic, colorful background. This type of imagery is great for visually representing the concept of unlocking or mining the potential within Google's search engine. To translate the energy and creativity of this image into a golden version for your marketing campaign, consider the following description for a revised image. Imagine the Google logo transformed into a shimmering golden machine with gears and cogs interlocking seamlessly, symbolizing the wealth of traffic and opportunities that can be harnessed through effective SEO. The surrounding elements would be adorned with lustrous gold leaf and sparkling particles that suggest a treasure trove of possibilities, inviting web designers and affiliate marketers to discover the riches of optimized search engine performance with SEO Easy. If you want to create a new image that conveys the goldmine aspect of SEO, I can help generate an image that takes the essence of this concept and renders it in a golden light. Let me know if you'd like to proceed with that. So then I ask it to proceed. It made a couple of versions, which I've edited out, that were close to what I wanted. As per normal, I just asked for it to try again, and eventually asked it to make it in a 16:9 proportion. The result was stunning. It described the output to perfection. The image is now presented in a 16:9 aspect ratio, offering a wide cinematic feel to the grandiose and luxurious theme of the Google logo crafted with golden gears. This format is particularly suited for video content, website headers, or digital billboards where a wider field is preferred. And I totally agree. So then I asked it to write an article that included an LTD deal. Write a social media article on Unlock the Google Goldmine, Effortless SEO Mastery with SEO Easy, emphasizing a limited time LTD deal. And this is what it came up with. Unleash the power of SEO with a once-in-a-lifetime offer. I added this H2 in the final copy. Unleash the power of SEO with a once-in-a-lifetime offer for $49. Attention web wizards and digital alchemists. Are you tirelessly digging through the depths of SEO, hoping to strike gold? What if we told you the mother lode is within reach, and for a limited time only, you can claim your miner's pick at an unbelievable price? Introducing the revolutionary SEO Easy. Your secret map to the Google Goldmine. Unlock the Google Goldmine with SEO Easy. Navigating the complex tunnels of search engine optimization becomes as simple as a click. Our tool isn't just a compass, it's a full-fledged GPS, leading you to the heart of Google's treasure chest. Then it moves on to the next trigger that targets the needs that every SEO faces. Effortless SEO Mastery. Say goodbye to the days of endless keyword research, backlink quests, and meta tag mysteries. SEO Easy is designed to handle these with a flick of the wrist, making you the sorcerer of SEO. Then the draw card of a lifetime deal. Limited time LTD deal. For those quick to the draw, SEO Easy is offering a lifetime deal. Yes, you heard it right. Gain lifetime access to our suite of enchanting SEO tools for the price of just 1 year. This is not a drill, it's the opportunity of a lifetime. Then the all-important why, in bullet points covering the automated tasks that happen under the hood. Why SEO Easy? Seamless keyword discovery. Unlock the most profitable keywords that are the purest gold. Competitor analysis. Spy on your competitors' treasures and make their wins your own. Performance tracking. Keep a hawk's eye on your rankings, as precise as a jeweler with his gems. On page optimization. Polish your site's pages until they shine brighter than the rest on the SERPs. Link building wizardry. Construct a fortress of backlinks that would put any castle to shame. This deal is as rare as a flawless diamond, and it's slipping away with each tick of the clock. Only the swift will revel in the riches that await with SEO Easy. Take the leap now. Invest in your site's future, plant your flag on Google's peaks, and watch as your digital empire expands beyond horizons. I reworded a few things to suit my offer in the final output. It initially said, swipe up, click the link, or tap Buy Now, which didn't suit my offer. But I retained whatever your vessel, set sail for the SEO Easy portal and clinch this deal before the sands of time run out. I added this as a call to action to better suit my offer. Say yes in the comments to get the Buy Now link. I also moved the hashtags appropriately to the bottom of the article. I also didn't need to use the call to action link, or the offer is only valid while supplies last. So I deleted these. And I also reworded the subheader to offer valid for a limited time. Followed by, dive into the gold rush and transform your SEO journey from a daunting quest to a victory lap with SEO Easy as the final punchline. To cut a long story short, this post was extremely successful within our private Facebook mastermind, getting 45 yeses as a response. So as you can see, the Big Idea app does a great job when it comes to creating social media posts. Firstly, in crafting the big idea, and then creating a stunning image based on that idea rather than creating it from scratch. And finally, creating a compelling post that ultimately succeeds in getting the response you're after. Keep an eye out for upcoming tutorials on our new custom GPTs. and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.